so this is problem 4.4, and the question says, a man is dragging a trunk up the loading ramp of a moving truck. The ramp has a slope of 20 degrees, and the man pulls upwards with a force whose direction makes an angle of 30 degrees with the ramp. So if we draw a picture, we've got a moving truck ramp, we got a guy up here, and we got a trunk that he's pulling upwards, and the angle of that is 30 degrees, and the angle of the moving truck is 20 degrees. The question then asks, how large of a force is necessary for the x component parallel to the ramp to be 90 degrees? So we know that so it's asking for the force in the x direction needs to be equal to 90 newtons. So we know that force in the x direction is going to be equal to the force times cosine of theta, and it's in the direction of the ramp, so we know that it can be rewritten as 90 is equal to f times cosine 30, and then we just isolate for f, so f, the force, is equal to 90 divided by cosine of 30, and that comes out to be 104 newtons when you round. So that's our force that the man is pulling on the box with. The second part of the question then asks, how large will the component of the force in the y direction perpendicular to the ramp be? So then wants to know what the force in the y direction will be. We know that the force in the y direction will be equal to the force times sine of theta. And from this part, we now know what the force is. So we know that this can be rewritten as 104 times sine of 30, which then when you do the math, that comes out to, where'd it go? 52 newtons for the force in the y direction. And that's how you do that one.